Your mother and your brothers are standing outside asking to speak with you. My dear brothers and sisters, this simple sentence can mean two things. One, it can mean a sentence of information, informative. It has happened to many of us. We visit a friend, especially if the house is big or located in a gated subdivision. You would likely be met by the house helper. You knock at the door, it will be opened, and then the house helper will ask, "Sino po sila? Ano po ang kailangan niyo? Who are you and what do you want?" And then you inform, "Well, I am Father Rolly trying to visit my friend." Or you say, "I am Mr. So-and-so." Or you say, "I am the mayor," or something like that. That is a simple sentence of information, informative. Perhaps that is what is meant by this simple sentence in the gospel. Your brothers and your sisters are outside wanting to speak with you. But the second possible meaning, and I'm not saying that that is the meaning, is this. And this has been also the experience of many of us. That sentence may mean a sense of entitlement. A sense of entitlement. Your mother and your brothers are here. I am here. I am Father Rolly. I am here. Give me special treatment. Lead me to the priority lane. Treat me differently. I am not saying that that is the meaning, but that is possible with what we experience sometimes. We come to a place, we go to a clinic, we visit a house of a friend, and then you somehow make a kind of attitude na, "Hey, treat me differently." Entitlement. And sometimes we do that also with God. We have a kind or a wrong sense of entitlement. "Lord, I have been praying, I have been attending Mass daily even, I receive communion, I deserve this treatment. I want to be treated especially. I want to be given priority. I wish my prayers will be answered." But if there is one thing that this gospel reminds us is this: we don't deserve anything because everything is grace. We can only be kind of acceptable to God if we listen to His will and do His will. Yun lang. Wala tayong pwedeng ipagmalaki sa Diyos. Wala tayong pwedeng i-demand sa Panginoon, sapagkat ang lahat ibinibigay bilang regalo. Yan ang problema ko minsan sa atin. We have a wrong sense of entitlement. We are not just informing, we are asking to be treated differently. Sana po hindi ganon. Manatili tayong mababang loob, manatili tayong, realistic, so that we will always realize na ang lahat ay ibinibigay bilang regalo. everything is grace. Amen.